I wanted to talk to you today about this new product called Puzzle Book Mastery, and I just wanted to show you what the product is, and then I wanted to show you some results I've had from creating puzzle books online. And you can do many different things with puzzle books. There's all kinds of different puzzle books that you can make. It's a very cool money-making method. It's very easy and it's a lot of fun. So I just wanted to go through the sales page and kind of show you what it is and explain it. And then at the end, I'm going to show you some of my results with not much effort that I have made selling puzzle books online. So again, the product is called Puzzle Book Mastery, and it just came out here recently. And here is the sales page. It explains, there's a video that tells you more in depth of what it is, and the sales page goes over all of the things that you need to get started, which does not include WordPress or paid traffic or affiliate marketing or e-commerce or blogging or anything like that. The point is, it's a very simple, easy method that anybody can do, and you can get started very quickly with it. So when I say puzzle books, what do I mean? So let's go out to Amazon.com, and if I search for, say, crossword puzzle book, you're going to see people selling all types of crossword puzzle related books. And you may have seen these before. Maybe you've seen them at your local store, at your local grocery store or supermarket. And this course actually teaches you how to make these books from scratch with very easy, simple to use tools online. So this course goes through and it teaches you different types of puzzle books that you can create very quickly. And then if I scroll down here, it goes into some of the types of puzzle books that you can create. And then he's got a little video here that shows you kind of the process and more about it. And then also down here, it tells you everything you're going to get if you buy this. So again, this is a very simple method. It's very quick and easy to do. And actually, it's a lot of fun. And what I like about this is it's passive. So you can start creating these puzzle books, posting them different places online. And I'm going to give you an example of that in just a minute. But basically, you create the puzzle book once, and then you can upload and sell it on different places on the internet and just get recurring sales just automatically. Here he's got some testimonials of the course and some success stories. And then what you're going to get is you're going to get complete training. You actually get a software to help you create the puzzle books, and you're going to get a case study, a cheat sheet. He has a special Facebook group to help you get started. And then he's got also a couple of other bonuses, including using Canva, which is an online-based graphics tool. And also he's got a maze pack that you can use to create mazes as well. You don't need anything to get started. Like I said, it's very simple, and it is a pretty cool little business. Now, as far as where to sell them at, Amazon is the big one that I'm going to show you here in a minute. But also you can sell these anywhere online that has a marketplace. So think of other sites like eBay or Etsy or any other type of site where products are bought and sold online. Another cool thing you could do with these is you could create them and give them away as bonuses or just giveaways to get leads and customers for yourself. So basically that is what the course is about, and if you click through and you buy it at this low price here, this is going to get you the main course right here. And then after you buy, you're going to get a couple of upgrade opportunities, and I would probably recommend getting those because it's going to give you extra resources, extra puzzle books, extra ways to make money with this method. So that is the summary of the course. I highly recommend it. This is a very quick and easy and fun business model here. So the last thing I want to do here is I want to show you my results of uploading and selling one puzzle book on Amazon here in just the last couple of months. Now, we're not talking about life-changing money, but I want to show you this is proof that this actually works. So all I did is I spent probably a couple of hours creating a crossword puzzle book with related software, and then I simply uploaded it to Kindle Direct Publishing on Amazon. And you can see here for the last couple of months, here are the sales that have been generated. Now, when you upload these, you can set your own price. So the royalties, so your cut after Amazon prints it and ships it and takes care of everything for you, it can range anywhere from $2 to $5, upwards of $10 if you do it right. And in this example, the crossword puzzle book that I'm talking about, I have it priced at about $10. So my cut after Amazon does everything is about $3 on this one, for example. So you can see, I mean, I've had days, 1, 2 sales here and there. I had a day where I had 4 sales. And then the blue here, what that means is when you list it on Kindle Direct Publishing, you have the option to not only list it on Amazon, but you can let Amazon list it on other sites that have a partnership, and you can sell on these types of sites. And the types of sites I'm talking about are Barnes & Nobles and other big book sites that are online. So it's pretty cool the way it works. It's very easy. So you just upload your main document, which would be the main puzzle book, in a certain format, which you will learn in the course. And then also you would upload a cover, which would be the cover of your book. And then Amazon automatically, one at a time, every time somebody orders one of these, they print the book and they ship it out. So this can be truly passive income to where you do it once and then you can get paid for it over and over again. And this is the type of money-making opportunity that I like because it's very simple, and again, it's a lot of fun. So that is my overview of this Puzzle Book Mastery course. I highly recommend it. This is a very good, easy business model, and you should take a look at it. So if you buy from the link below, I'm going to include a special bonus that's listed below. Thank you for watching this Puzzle Book Mastery review, and I hope I see you on the other side.